O South Africa, my Africa, I stand before you today with a heavy heart. I never thought a day would come in this lifetime where you would succumb to your knees, begging the master not to abandon you. The heavy chains that were forcefully hung around your neck have become loose, so loose in fact that they are falling off by themselves. Yet, when you realized they were falling, you did not rejoice. Instead, you screamed and shouted at the master, blaming him for setting you free, begging him to place the heavy yoke back upon your shoulders. In your confusion, you turned your back on your own African brothers and sisters. You fought them, you chased them away. These are the very people who brought skills, trade, and resilience to your soil. They could have been the key to breaking those chains for good, but you treated them as enemies. It is profoundly sad that the chains which once represented your deepest suffering have now become a part of your identity. You have embraced them, nurtured them, and built a sense of self-entitlement around them. You punish anyone who dares to get too close, fearing they might take away the very shackles you have grown to love. Your anger and division even confuse the master who once held the leash. He watches you fight amongst yourselves and no longer wants to claim you. And if he finally decides to cut the leash entirely, leaving you to stand alone on your own feet, I truly wonder how you are going to survive without the struggle you have grown so comfortable with.